Zana is actually the name of my grandmother, and she was actually the one who gave the inspiration to my dad to get into food.
To recommend our crispy pancit loglog. Again, it's something unique to Azela. Filipinos really love texture.
I don't think it's exclusively Negrense or Ilonggo. I think it's pretty well-rounded with everything. Because we have sisig, to kansi, to pinakbet.
We also have our balay dako favorites. We have kansi, of course. We cannot not have the kansi here. Exciting things about Azela, like our unlimited garlic and plain rice, the exclusive partnership with Mount Tomas.
Tony Robinsons who gave us the easy opportunity to open. And at the same time, here in Ermita, as you can see, the foot traffic is very high. We cater from A to D.
For dessert, a great selection of house-made ice cream. We also have the classic halo-halo, bibingka, favorite.